This is the ground nest of the bird. I don't know its name, but this place is in semi-desert at the top of the mountain. If you walk close to the rock you see through this video and then walk until this tree down, you will find this beautiful bird. Let me touch and greet them. What is the name of this bird? Look, they are so beautiful. Look how it looks like. They have the soft hair around their heads, and these kids of bird are very young. But something wearing or wondering about this bird is its nest is down the ground. The amazing fact is, what about the dangerous pests like snake and other reptiles? Why can these beautiful birds survive, and how? Because at the ground there are so many dangerous, there are so many animals, animals that can eat this bird. But how can it survive? Can you someone tell me through the comment, how do these birds and how they survive sand while they are in this place? It is the ground nest. How? The snake, always we know, eats this kind of bird. How till the nest was built till this time these birds are safe? What is the reason behind? Make sure in touch with us by subscribing. Visit our channel. There's so many impressive videos that you can learn from. Make sure turn on the notification bell after subscribing to this channel, and then tell me from which city you're watching us from. I really like to know how far is my video reaching. My main aim is to bring you the very entertaining news and the occasions concerned with natural. So it quenched with foods. Look, it cannot open its mouth because it has already eaten the food. When I was watching this nest, their mother was flying away. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell, get in touch with us. I love you so much. Till the next video, let me leave them so that they will be satisfied, they are safe. Get in touch with us. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.